Hi Khalku, Assalamu alaikum.
Hi Haku.
Hi Khalku.
Hi Haku. Hi Haku.
Assalamu alaikum. So we cooking today chicken karahi. And look the status of my scarf. I can't pull my scarf on with one hand. So just Ayla, fix it for me.
I can't see.
Okay. So we cooking chicken karahi today. What are we cooking?
Chicken karahi.
Yes. Wash my chicken. They're like two little baby chicken. I wash them and put a little bit more oil, so like 1 cup oil, and put it on medium heat. Let's cook chicken karahi. As you see, I peel garlic, like about 9 clove garlic and 7 chili that size. So this is the real karahi, okay? That's it. And I wash all my tomato and my onion up. When my chicken is like a little bit brownish, sizzling, I'm gonna put all this. And again, stir it till it's need to cook. And this is my masala. This is my mixed masala, which already in one of the video I told you what I use in it. So it's garam masala, jeera, dhania powder, haldi powder and curry powder, madras curry powder. That's black pepper, and this is salt, and this is my topping. I'm gonna sprinkle all the masala, salt, black pepper on top of the chicken, which is already 3/4 cooked. Stir it again properly. Sorry, it's really hard for me to work with one hand. Nafi is now here. And stir for good 5-6 minutes. And top again. Keep it for cut 3 tomato and 1 big onion, and coriander I just garnish later on. So after 5-minute cooking, you can see all the masala sizzling. When it's come to that stage, just sprinkle all these ingredients. La ilaha illallah. My azan goes. This is the Pushtun way of karahi. Very simple, very easy. Just keep it. So I send these girls just for dunya and little shopping, and look what they did. So they bring all this shopping, and Malihas keep bringing more stuff. Let me show you. Maliha? Oh my God, it's too dark. It's too dark. I supposed to make chicken karahi and send them for little shopping, and they end up coming 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock? Yeah. Come here. Bas, khatam shu shopping?
Yes, done.
That's my Malu.
Hi, hello.
Hi, brother.
Hi, sister.
Hi, brother. My brother bring all this shopping. And Sumaya gonna tidy up now.
No, I'm going to do it.
And I'm cooking my karahi. My karahi is nearly ready. We cook my chicken karahi is ready. Just I'm gonna sprinkle some dhania on top, and I just want to show my little baby to me, my little Maulana baby. She's my little Maulana baby. She don't want to be in my vlog, and that's my little monkey. Come on, monkey. You know which? Come on, show your face a little bit.
Look like shit, Ma.
It's okay, you're still beautiful. Come on. That's my Maliha. And I'm gonna show you my chicken karahi now. So it's almost ready. You can see it's come to the final stage now. And I'm gonna sprinkle some dhania on top. And this is the real chicken karahi. I don't know, when we go to restaurant in UK, the chicken karahi is like chicken curry, and I say, no, this is not chicken karahi. Now, okay, so, oh, put the light on.
Mel, what are you doing?
I hardly work, my finger only works.
So what are you doing right now?
This is the karahi, chicken karahi ready. You were not here, so it was really hard for me to show chicken karahi.
ثلاث شكل لسه ملقلق فني خكاري ما
Tingnan pa niya karahi.
أما أغا فيس جوركي
Na, dako. Aray, chigdirat we medicine gana very bishanti.
خا أوس
Look where you picked up chicken with the olive.
yeah? Oh, it's okay, don't worry.
So this is my gorgeous karahi ready. Now tell me, you ever see karahi like that in UK? Because this is
Yeah, in
Pakistan.
Khyber Pass. Khyber Pass restaurant.
But Khyber Pass is not even.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
And like whenever we.
Do you want to see Malia? Look at all this. I'm not showing you Malia, but this is Malia.
Come on, Malia.
I want to start charging you, huh?
Hassan. So come. Oh, I love this karahi. Look, so come. The dunga ke wacho kana. I don't know from which angle I recorded because it's look lush, and I'm so hungry. I was waiting for dhania, and it's ready now. And Nafia will put it in this pot. Ya Allah, Nafia. Let's say tarike se wacho. Okay. Let me hold this. Okay. Yeah.
Why Mama make chicken karahi? It was roast dinner today.
Yeah, roast dinner and the chicken karahi. The ma khapal recipe khola because Nafia say post. Nafia is my manager, and she say post once a week. Yeah, and Sumaya say ya khuda bas ladika kana zama tunde this tade ko.
Why?
That's my chicken karahi. Okay, guys.
وش سكيته؟ تعال سكي. Nah, bye guys.
Bye, guys. Okay, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and press the little bell button. Bye.